Corn chowder with vegan cheese quesadillas. Winter is the perfect time to cook up this hearty American-inspired corn chowder. It's served with delicious dairy-free cheese quesadillas, making it a great option for vegan friends and family. To get started, spray a large saucepan with olive oil spray. Pop it over medium heat and let it warm up. Add the onion and garlic and cook stirring for 3 minutes until the onion is nice and soft and the garlic is aromatic. Next, pour in just over half the corn kernels and half the stock. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for about 15 minutes. You want the corn to be really tender and the flavour to infuse into the stock. Turn off the heat and let the soup cool slightly. Take a stick blender and carefully blend the soup until it's almost smooth. If you don't have a stick blender, use a regular blender to blend the soup in batches. Transfer the soup to a large heat-proof bowl. Next, spray a saucepan with a little more olive oil spray and place it over medium heat. Add your capsicum and celery and cook stirring for 3 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Add the Cajun seasoning and stir until the vegetables are coated. Return the blended soup to the saucepan with the remaining corn kernels, remaining stock and extra water. Allow the soup to come to a simmer and cook, giving it a stir occasionally for 5 minutes or until the soup is hot. Add the beans to the soup and season with salt and pepper. While the soup is warming up, make the quesadillas. Spray a large non-stick frying pan with olive oil spray and place over a medium-high heat. Place one tortilla in the pan and top with half the cheese. Top it with another tortilla and press down gently. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the base is nice and golden. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until the cheese has melted and the base is golden. Place the quesadillas on a board and cut into wedges. Repeat with the remaining tortillas and cheese and then cut into wedges. When the quesadillas are ready, ladle the soup into serving bowls, then sprinkle with coriander and chopped chives. Gather the troops and enjoy this hearty corn chowder. Served with cheesy quesadillas, it's a delicious bowl of comfort food.